Good morning, everyone. I'm Alex Chun, and today I'm going to show you something that will change how you think about AI forever. In minutes, you'll build a team of AI agents that collaborate like real humans, and I'll prove it live. From one LLM to a true AI team, multi-agent systems. Today, AI is often used. One prompt, one answer. That's like making a genius do everything alone. Great work needs teams. So we built something simple but insane. CrewAI. 3 lines of code, real collaborating agents. Let me show you live. I'll run one command. Watch as 3 agents wake up. A senior researcher, a professional tech writer, and a senior editor. They'll work on why 2026 will be the year of AI agents. No human touching anything. Minutes later, they produced a fully researched, publication-ready article, created entirely by AI agents collaborating. This is not autopilot. This is a real team. Here's the magic in 3 steps. Agents have roles, goals, and tools. Tasks are assigned sequentially or in parallel. They pass information automatically. By the end of 2026, every knowledge worker will manage a team of AI agents or be replaced by someone who does. The future isn't one super intelligent AI. It's hundreds of specialized agents working together. Thank you.